Now, you couple all this with the way minds are wasted in the American education system today, the way they're polluted, propagandized, whatever you want to say. Yeah, that's true. Clinton had a Perot out there helping him. Romney's not going to be helped by a Perot type. I'm just saying that there's an architect of this circumstance, and he's got to be identified. His name is Barack Obama. That long checklist of things I went through last hour that you have to do to ensure 9% unemployment is a long list of things. They can't all be coincidental. They can't all be accidental. Obama has an economy that is almost as bad as Herbert Hoover's economy. And I realized, what percentage of people in this country even know or care about Herbert freaking Hoover? So here I am drawing an analogy. Herbert Hoover, Rush, all I know is he's a Republican, so he sucks. There's a lot of stuff that we're up against here, and simply, my only point is relying on what traditionally has always worked is not going to get it done. The polling data indicates. Then there's the other part of me, though. The other part of me says if the election were today, it would be a landslide with Obama sent out of town so fast a cloud of dust he wouldn't be seen in it. I still think that's possible, probable. But during Herbert Hoover's day, there wasn't any welfare. There wasn't any relief. Most of that came in with FDR. And FDR still won. I don't know how bad it was. Of course he did, because with Hoover, there were people jumping out of buildings. It would bang it must be Herbert. So where no boy, sorry he's paying it. Oh, he's paying it. He's got some. We're really in software. It is so where it is. Here we go. What's hot? What's up? And then if you do so that I was there, what's nice that I this. I'm all bought them now snailing it. Even if we had to do so, he was here off really good. Even off really soon. Yeah, isn't it? It is off. Not that they get a country girls, he wants to on the shit. They're still on the hours. They don't know how to miss knickers to make a butter with butts at all, was it? I see what's in the come up here is his own hill. Sure, Herbert. He's the landing over in my area. Oh, get your Herbert. Right? Go on, Libby. Here's my single beef. Sinister. Yeah, we around. And then I get served. Herbert said, the dad's it's all more. Said, you're not going to say him off. Dat is gekke bol. Nee, get on, dat is no gekke bol. Nee, get. So het is te lang was ik. En dan moet dat er niet aan de oosje doen. Dus het ga hoe je het. Oh, het zal weer de was het het zelf cashen al. Dat. Maar elkaar op net. Ja, vind ik je dat zien. It's because the cash the ground is right. Yes, so is not. Ja, zo, we're fable. He began to even hand it not in now. Made up my hurt now, or but I know. Wish that died. Yes. Well, you're right, old child, and you're off the little pretty over there. The assistant chances in the car. I mean, the tail brought us now, man, with the. Say it all over for you.